Welcome to That Plane Guy, another day in Brisbane, Australia at the Brisbane Airport, and we spot the big guy, the A380. Only flies at night and arrives at night, but I did see Singapore Airlines, which was quite an impressive plane, an A350, so that's nice to see. Try to get the smoothest possible takeoff, but I kind of screwed the shot up, and that's on me because I'm an idiot. And you'll see as soon as it takes off, I was only able to get about the first 3 seconds of liftoff, and after that can be a little hard at these 1200mm focal lengths because this is the international runway and it's a little hard to actually film because it's quite far away. But I did get the A350 again in my viewfinder, and it's off to Singapore. Also got the E190 Brisbane to Canberra. Sad to be leaving Brisbane, I'm sure, because Brisbane is the best place in Australia by a long way. Leave a comment if you disagree, but trying to get my camera head as smooth as possible for these takeoffs so they're as enjoyable to watch as possible. I really hate shaky plane footage. Every now and then I screw it up and don't get the framing perfect, but quite a nice smooth takeoff there, and smooth recording if I don't say so myself. Got the Boeing 737 going to Canberra, 1 hour 28. Virgin Airways, nice takeoff, landing gear going up. The airport really does come alive at night. These are all shot with my low light camera. This is coming up to sunset at about 17:43 in Brisbane time. Starts getting dark around 6. And there was a heck of a lot of traffic coming into Brisbane Airport because this was the long Easter weekend. So hopefully you got something out this short video. I'm going to be posting a lot of plane videos, so subscribe if you like this kind of thing, especially from Brisbane Airport. See you next time.